Hello guys, magluluto ako kayo ng pininyahang manok. Chicken with pineapple. Una guys, mag-prepare tayo ng 1½ cup of pineapple juice. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, half teaspoon of dry parsley. Tap natin guys ng paper towel yung chicken para alisin natin yung mga excess water. At may hinanda akong ziplock guys. Ilagay natin dito yung chicken. Tsaka yung sauce. Fridge for overnight lang guys. After overnight guys, ito na siya. Kung gusto nyo guys lutuin agad, maybe 1 hour lang or 2 hours. Then, isalain natin guys para maalis yung ating sauce doon sa ating pinagbabaran. Mag-prepare naman tayo guys ng pan. I-fry muna natin yung chicken. Pag nag-fry tayo guys ng chicken, laging yung likod ang unahin natin. Okay na to guys, i-set aside muna natin siya. Using same pan guys, mag-saute naman tayo ng garlic and onion. Maglagay tayo guys ng 1 cup of water. Isang perasong chicken cube. Ilagay ko lang guys yung remaining pineapple juice. Now, ilagay na natin guys yung chicken natin. Ilagay ko na guys yung remaining na marinated sauce. Takpan ulit natin guys, tapos hinaan na natin guys ang ating kalan. At ilagay ko na rin guys yung pineapple chunk. Luto na guys ang ating chicken. Mag-plating na tayo guys. This is it guys ang ating pininyahang manok.